All right, let's see.
Also, I just got the car like a week ago. Is there anything else you think I should like replace in the car?
I don't know anything about the car. I'll check after. Yeah.
I just wanted to ask, because I asked my boy, he said there's a couple of things when you just get a car that you should get replaced.
Yeah, like spark plugs, air filter, cabin air filter, oil change, stuff like that, yeah. I mean, he's not wrong.
How long have you been doing it?
That's 6-7 years. I would say 26.
You 26?
Mm-hmm.
Still young.
Yeah. Alright, so that's the old one. Let me see. You work for a Cricket?
Yeah.
Nice.
What carrier do you have?
Huh?
What carrier do you have?
T-Mobile. You ain't trying to sell me a new one, are you?
I most definitely am. I mean, how long you had T-Mobile for?
A while. Yeah, I've been here for about 10 years. It's been cool. I like my provider.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much you pay with them?
I think for a whole family, like 120, bro.
Oh, yeah, you're on one of the grandfather plans.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's called grandfather plan?
That just means like an old plan that they don't have anymore.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I love it, but they will have to guarantee the pricing still, right? I'm most definitely going to keep that one, yeah.
Because now T-Mobile, they're dicks with the way they do it.
No, yeah, I don't doubt it, bro. I'm pretty sure. Okay, gonna have to get a zip tie.
You like cars? Is that what you got into?
Yeah, well, I get to own my own business, bro. You don't really get that privilege all the time, so I just...
Which is fair.
It's good, bro. I like it, yeah. Bills, you gotta...
The overhead.
Yeah, you gotta charge people more. How am I supposed to get more business if I'm charging more? Like, my whole entire business revolves around two things: being mobile and better prices in shops.
Yeah, that's what I was checking your reviews.
Yeah.
Literally what they all said.
Yeah. It's literally...
Great work, great price.
Thanks. Appreciate it, bro. Alright, so we're done with the O2 sensor. I'll just, what do you call it? Oh. Reset it for you. Thanks. And then that's pretty much it. Everything is plugged in right. This is...
Or reset the check engine?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is timed as much as I can. Alright, so... we have an engine code right here. I'm just going to say not equipped, automatic. I don't know why it's taking a while to communicate. Okay, so delayed response to rich, blah blah blah. This code means that you have a bad upstream oxygen sensor. So you're gonna clear the codes. Okay, there should be no codes on the dash. Okay. Now if we still have a bad oxygen sensor, we would still get a code. We can go to live data if you guys want to make sure. Okay. I think it's air. I think it's the air fuel ratio command right here. This is air fuel equivalence ratio. That's what the oxygen sensor sends. And this is the bank 1 and bank 2. Yeah, looks like they have good live data. They're working in conjunction. They're working right. I don't see anything wrong with the data. This will drop to like 0.07 for a little bit because it's brand new. It's gonna take it a while, or it's because the car's cold. The engine's cold. So, but the HO2S2 is still okay. All right, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. But that's it for the tutorial replacing the oxygen sensor. I would appreciate a subscribe and a like on the video. But other than that, see you later.